Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create professional AI videos with Synthesia and improve your content using the right avatar, voice, visuals, and presentation style. First, open Synthesia and create a new video project. Before you begin, decide what you want your video to achieve and prepare a clear, well-organized script. Start by choosing an AI avatar that matches your topic and audience. A suitable presenter can immediately make your video feel more professional and engaging. Next, select an AI voice that fits your content. Consider the language, accent, tone, and speaking style. Make sure the voice is clear and comfortable to listen to. Now, divide your script into separate scenes. Keep each scene focused on one main idea and avoid placing too much information into a single section. After that, add supporting visuals such as images, videos, text, shapes, and other elements. Use visuals to explain important points and keep the audience engaged. For business videos, maintain a consistent professional style. For tutorials and educational content, focus on clarity and make each step easy to follow. You can also add subtitles to make the video more accessible. If you use background music, keep the volume low enough that it doesn't interfere with the narration. Next, pay attention to the overall layout. Make sure your avatar, text, images, and other elements are positioned correctly and don't overlap. Once your video is built, preview every scene carefully. Listen to the narration and check the pronunciation, pacing, and overall delivery. At the same time, review your visuals and make sure they match what the avatar is explaining. If something feels confusing or unnecessary, edit or remove it. You should also check your script for spelling mistakes, incorrect information, and awkward sentences before generating the final version.